in Nassau, and the pilot has arrived to take us into port. And this is how they do it. He drives up, and they get real close, and that pilot who's in the red is going to jump onto the boat. Oh, because of the overhang, we can't see it. He's on, the boat takes off and he guides us in. So now once the pilot gets up top, the pilot takes it from there, not the captain. The captain only goes so far to guide us into Nassau, which is over there. Arrived into Nassau, and she did her big spin around, and now we're backing in up next to the Carnival Sunshine. It's chilly here today.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I see rain out in the distance. It's a big whale tail.
Somebody give me the...
Somebody just give you what? They're waving. Let's see, even the engineers are down there.
That looks like it's Serenity.
Yeah, you see that? There's like a waterfall feature up there in Serenity. That looks amazing. Oh, Serenity looks like top deck there, and then bottom deck here. They got a big screen TV, ropes course. This looks like this is one of those smaller. Wow, everybody's downstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, they're waiting to get off. They're doing the gangways. And we're getting closer. Go. Riders. We were just here.
We were just here.
Yep, and we're back again. We were here with the Elation.
Yep, we were here with the Elation. Those videos are coming soon.
If not already there.
If not already there.
By the time you see this.
Yes.
So we are off the boat. Our room is right there.
Yep.
Somewhere.
Somewhere up there. But we just want to say from Cat and Mouse Adventures, welcome to the beautiful Nassau. Okay, it's a little rainy here, but
no, it's not. It's drizzly.
it's a drizzling. It's a sprinkle. Let's put it that way.
If you've seen our vlogs, or they should be out, we were just here. But we decided, let's walk around a little bit and see what we didn't see the other time.
Yep.
Why are we walking at an angle?
I have no clue. Maybe it's because we want to get a picture of this right here. This is the Carnival Sunshine.
And then as we were having breakfast, one thing, sorry about that. We don't show you guys the food only because I really don't want people watching me eat.
Nah.
Do you?
Nah, not really.
Unless it's a restaurant that is new.
Yeah.
But buffet's buffet.
And it is the Carnival Liberty.
Oh, it is the Liberty. We left with the Liberty yesterday.
So not only is the sunshine here, the Carnival Liberty has decided to bless us with its presence.
Yep.
And if you want to know more about the Liberty, our links will be down below. Ship tour and room tour for an extended balcony on that ship.
Yes.
So if you want to travel and you want to go on that cruise, check out our videos for ship tour and extended balcony room tour. You're gonna like it.
Yep. And here we are. So this is the back of the Independence of the Seas right behind us. Look at that. Woo.
It's a big ship.
Not as big as the Magic,
No.
but it's a decent sized ship.
But when you look on the ground and you look up like this, it's a big ship.
Yes, Rob, it is.
But I'm pumped. I'm here all week. Tip your waitress.
Dad jokes.
Mm-hmm.
So we just came through the marketplace where all the stores were, and I don't know how much we've gotten from the previous vlog that we were here. This is the amphitheater that they built right next to the port. We do shows, big lawn area to sit. We're gonna walk over here and see what's here. Looks like there's some benches to look at the water.
Yeah.
This is the straw market. And if I'm not mistaken, that was here on this side of the street, was it not?
What, the straw market?
Oh, no. Okay, it was on that side too. You can enter into the city, so that's the main straw market where you used to pick up your local items. And those are the Bay Streets and all that. Sharkies. And then going down this way is Senior Frog. But look at this area where to walk around. This is really nice now. We haven't done this.
Welcome to the West Marina. They didn't say what time they were leaving.
Who?
Our boat.
3:30 all on board, I think. It's on the app. I think that cargo ship is coming in. Look.
Yeah.
So look, they're rebuilding this so you can come like on a pier and sit here on benches and kind of look at the water. See, there's a whole bunch of benches there. Senior Frogs is there. Jukunu Beach is all the way down when we first came in, but you got to walk on Bay Street all the way down. Yeah, when we were pulling in, I was looking at this building. This is where we did the turn right here in front.
Yeah.
Very pretty. This is very pretty how they have this set up like this.
Yes, it is. And right there, the Carnival Liberty.
Yep. I like how they redid this port.
I did. I really did.
On account of a rain delay, we're heading back to the ship. We stopped at some of the shops there, but there's a pirate ship coming in. I wonder if Jack Sparrow's gonna be on it.
Oh, I see a captain's hat on there.
So many moons ago, when we started cruising with the young ones, we went on an excursion on a pirate ship, and the kids were deemed to swab the deck with nothing but toothbrushes. And they will never forget that excursion. It was done in Grand Cayman, but it looked like a ship, like this.
That is the ship of Blackbeard.
Yeah. And it was a nice excursion because they gave us lunch, and then they kind of anchored out in the middle of nowhere, and we were able to jump off the plank.
Well,
So for my young ones who remember,
well,
Blackbeard's ship.
Miss Adventurous behind you holding the camera decided to jump off the ship.
The back of the
Literally,
ship.
The back of the ship.
I jumped off the back of the ship. I did. They gave you the option of the back of the ship or the plank, and I jumped off the back of the ship. Many moons ago. So I was saying that pirate ship is actually an excursion. I don't know if they keep the same excursion where they do lunch, swabbing the deck, and then jumping off. But if you check your cruise line app, it'll tell you what Blackbeard ship does. But keep in mind, we're in Bahamas now. That was in Grand Cayman that we did that many years ago. So it was like lunch, and they treated you like they captured you, and then you were able to swim out in the water and walk the plank and all that type. So everybody on board, all the workers on board were like pirates, and they pretended like they captured you. So it was really a lot of fun for kids, adults as well. We had a good time, and some rum punch and lunch. So a really
Bahama
good time.
Mamas.
Yeah. It was Bahama Mamas?
Bahama Mamas.
But we were in Grand Cayman, I think it was rum punch.
Yes.
So we're gonna head back to the ship and maybe check out the solarium. It is raining, so we're gonna just relax for the rest of the day, and maybe you guys will join us for some adventures later on today.
Stay tuned.
And every time we try to catch it. Pier runners! Pier runners! Pier runners for the Carnival Sunshine. You hear the music they're playing for them? You hear the music? Oh, you have some over there.
Run, Forrest!
You better run! Oh, they got two more. You better run! He's got a boo and he's running slow-mo. Woo! Oh, there you go! Bahamas port because unfortunately we had a medical on our ship. We've actually had three medicals on
Three
this ship.
medicals on our ship.
Last night someone got ill, so we were leaving Port Canaveral and had to go to
Point St. John's.
Yeah, to get 2 off. Oh, we got runners. And today, someone was getting on the gangway and actually fell in, unfortunately. So that is very, very sad to hear. They're okay, though. Everybody's okay, but we have a medical, so we're here stuck. So we're watching the sunshine.
And we have pier runners.
Roasting their pier runners.
Getting in.
There you go. You got like a little bit left. Woo!
These two are just walking.
Nope, they're just walking. Look, you're kind of busy from recording.
Let me put these cards down.
That's it. All done. You can see the bridge right here
Now,
with all the officers.
if you hear that, it's too late.
Yep.
Your
Say
boat is
bye-bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, they're still paging 2 people. They're still paging 2 people, but they're pulling it. So yeah, we're stuck in the Bahamas. I don't know for how long. They said it won't affect our Perfect Day at Coco Cay time because Coco Cay is right there. Yep, it looks like 2 more are appearing at the port. So yeah, we're just having fun with Carnival Sunshine's pier runners while we're waiting for the people on our ship to hopefully get better, feel better. I really feel bad when people get hurt on ships. It's not fun, especially on your vacation. But while we're waiting,
and it looks like we have 2 last-minute pier runners coming down.
yeah, while we're waiting, we're just having fun with Carnival Sunshine's pier runners. They have a lot of pier runners today.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Oh, here they come.
Here they come.
They took the little go-kart. They're waiting, and they're gonna get in trouble by the officer. You can see one of the officers down there, and the engineers all waiting. They're actually lucky that they got waited on. I already blew the horn and everything. I don't see anybody else at the port. Is that it? They only paged 2 people.
And 3 got on.
It was the 2 girls.
Yeah.
Yep, look, see? Officers are getting on now. What time is it? Are they late?
Let's put it this way. What time do you think they were supposed to leave? It's now 5:34.
Oh, 4 minutes passed. They're all aboard with 5:30. Yep, and there goes the gangway.
And the Liberty's unhooked.
Oh, and the Liberty's unhooked. So they got all their people. Oh yeah, wow, the ropes are gone. That was fast. Wow, it echoes.
Lets them know we're leaving.
Yeah?
These are the guys that's gonna unhook the rope.
Yep, these are the port workers.
With the skateboard and all.
He's got a skateboard. So yep, me and Robert are lounged up on the balcony here playing some Uno. Got our Royal Caribbean cups, Coca-Cola Freestyle machines, some Uno, some books to read, and just enjoying. I spoke too soon. Our gangway is still down.